Okay, so this is a quick video demonstration of a simple pop-up class that I've written for Gideros Mobile. It's called Popup and is available under GitHub, and I'll show you how to get it at the end of this video. It's intended to work in conjunction with the standard Gideros SceneManager. So it doesn't replace scenes, it just overlays a shield on top of them, displaying another class, which is the Popup. The best thing is if I show you how it works. We're now displaying the first screen and the first scene in the demo program. And what's going to happen when we touch this is it's going to load a pop-up class which will stay on the screen during a loading function. When the function has completed, then it will automatically call the exit for the pop-up and dismiss it. So if I touch here, you'll notice the pop-up has come up, and when the loading is completed, then it dismisses itself. Now in this particular case, the loading is just a stub function because the scene actually loads very quickly, but you could use this to load other resources while the loading screen is displayed. Now in this scene we have several objects. We have three animals, and each of them are buttons which can be used to bring up another pop-up describing what the object is. So in this particular case we don't automatically execute a function, but we call a particular pop-up class. And if I click on the bear here, you'll notice that a pop-up class called animal pop-up will appear with a description of the particular animal. Now we've written this class as a subclass of bhPopup, so we can do whatever we like in it. But you'll notice that the pop-up acts as a shield, so all of the background is not touchable, and it's only when we choose to dismiss the pop-up does the background scene become re-enabled. And now you'll see that we touch here, and so that's basically it. That's how you use it. The transitions on and off of the screen are very similar to the way the SceneManager works. You basically provide a named function inside the bhPopup class to describe the transition. It does try to make an intelligent choice about the entry and exit transitions. If you only supply an entry transition, then it will automatically try and supply the opposite transition for the exit. So for example, you'll see here that the entry transition is over from bottom, and the exit transition by default is over to bottom. The bhPopup class is available on GitHub. It's part of a suite of cooperating classes that I've released, and you do well to read the README notes, because they describe how to set up a directory structure where all the various library modules will cooperate correctly together. In this particular case, you need to create a folder under your working directory called Library Bauhaus bhPopup, but you'll also need to take some of the other Bauhaus libraries as well to make the demo work straight out of the box. What you should do is you'll also need to take the Gideros library, which contains the SceneManager, and you'll also need to take the miscellaneous library, which contains things like gtween and easing. Okay, so I hope that's been useful, and let me know via my blog if you manage to use it in any projects. Thank you for watching.